All right, now what is the premise of a blockchain? The premise of a blockchain is that it is a platform or network, right? So it is not a single firm or a single institution that deals with something. It is a network of entities involved in it. It is open to anyone, so anybody can use it. It is everything that matters for the platform for transfers of value is written in code. So you not only understand what is in the platform, what are the transactions, but you also understand how everything came about. So nothing is hidden. No trust, and this is the critical part about blockchain. There is no trust needed. So as in, what? Hold on, so be careful. So there's no trusted parties needed, right? So you don't need to trust that somebody did something and did it right. You can control everything that that party did, right? So you don't have to trust them. And then the idea is, of course, is when you have all of these together, commerce can still thrive, right? So in some ways, a blockchain technology is referred to as trustless. It's not entirely trustless because you have to trust that the system actually works as a whole, as a mechanism, so that there is no systemic problem with it. But generally speaking, the idea is that you can eliminate the need for a trusted party. So how is that actually happening? Now, a blockchain is about digital transfer of value. So obviously the core of it is that there are computer codes that enable transfers of value. Now, a critical thing about a blockchain is it is not that information is stored at a single entity. Instead, a blockchain is a network of computers that all keep the same information. Now, the technical term for that is a distributed system. This is not the same thing as a decentralized system, I want to be very clear. A distributed system literally means that the information is distributed, meaning the same at all different entities. And in the case of a blockchain, it is a worldwide system. So it's not country specific, it's not region specific, it is open literally to everybody in the world, which is a very powerful thing if you think about it, because, oftentimes we think of firms often think of information to be theirs, or countries think about information and things being stuck only in their own country. The whole idea of a blockchain is the opposite. It is open to everybody in the world, meaning people in China, people in India, people in Australia, people in Canada and the US, but also people in North Korea, for instance, and Iran and other places that have fallen out of favor, let's say, with the world community, if you want to think about it that way.